malamang na may gumagalaw. Posible din po yun. Kasi sa totoo lang, para-pareho naman ng pakay ang lahat. And matagal na namin sinasabi na politics is addition. So what we're trying to do here is get more people on our side. It doesn't do well for us na maging divisive. Sabi ni Ma'am Karen, I was disturbed seeing that supposed gate of your residence in the presence of NBI. Was it true? It is. Yes po. I'm scheduled to appear before the NBI. I need to get an idea of what this is about. But if this is, if it is what I suspect it is, which is, an act of the government in trying to suppress free speech, then titignan natin kung ano yung magiging response natin. But I have to find out first for myself. So pupunta ako. I think. Sa ngayon, yun yung decision. But it will really depend on what my lawyers come up with. But right now, I am predisposed to going. Sabi ni Milky Way, 2 birds with 1 stone yung naging pahayag ng INC declaring support for VP Sara not to be impeached by saying sinusuportahan din nila si B sa panawagan nitong tigilan ng pag-impeach ng VP. Sabi ni Mike Curry, ipapatawag daw ng Quadcom ang mga vloggers. Well, they can try, but like I said, if this is an attempt to suppress free speech, it might backfire on them. Diba? I will be more critical if I am told not to exercise my free speech. And then I will end up asking, what is it you're afraid of that we're going to say? Or are you worried about your re-election, or election prospects? If it comes down to that, then this is a self-correcting mechanism of the state, of government. It's guaranteed by the Constitution. So they must be able to justify kung bakit kami papatawag, lalong-lalo na if the intention here, or the mere act of it kasi clearly shows an intention to suppress free speech, which is violative of the constitutional guarantee, di ba? Being in Congress doesn't mean you get a free pass when it comes to free speech. Dati po, naaalala niyo po, nagrally sila against De Lima, pinaghihimasukan kasi noon nila Noy Noy. Alam ko po yung buong kwento.